In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to navigate the branded application. Some businesses may have their own customized app, so what you see might vary slightly from one to another. However, the core features will remain consistent across. We're going to walk through how to book classes, private sessions, and courses, how to view your upcoming schedule, how to learn more about what the business offers, and how to access and manage your profile information. So let's dive in. Once you log into the application by inputting your email and password, you will typically land on the homepage. This homepage will usually include an Explore section that has classes, private session, and courses to access, your upcoming schedule, and the different activities that the business offers divided by sections such as classes, private sessions, and fields or courses if they are available to rent out. To book a class, simply click on the class square, and this will take you to the calendar where you can firstly select the branch, then pick the day you would like to book and to see available classes. Let's pick all branches for now, and this will give us access to see all types of classes across all branches. Let's say, for example, we want to book on Monday. This will give us a list and times of all available classes on that day. Let's choose this Pilates class at 1:30. Once we click Book Now, if you have a waiver available, you will need to accept it. And then you can book and pay at front desk or book and pay now if the business has online payment. Let's click Book and Pay at front desk. Now you will need to confirm your booking and you will be booked inside that class accordingly. To book a private session, simply click on the private session square. This will show you all available private sessions in that business. Let's go with a PT one-on-one for 60 minutes. We need to click on Book Now at the bottom. Select your trainer. Select the day on the calendar. And then select the time you want to book by simply clicking, choosing from the clock, click OK, and your appointment will be added to the calendar. Simply confirm at the bottom, and now you have booked a private session. To rent a court or a room, simply select courts or fields. From here, pick the type of field you want to book. Let's go with tennis. We can see the branches available to be able to rent out the correct court in the correct branch. Let's go with the main one. From here, I can choose a size of a court, whether it's for 2 players or for 4 players. Let's go with the 2 players. It will allow me to pick a duration. We're going to go with 60 minutes. And then I can pick the time that I want to book. Let's go with 9 p.m. Then I need to click Book Now at the bottom. And from here, you can either book and pay at front desk, or you can book and pay now if the business has online payment. We're going to choose Book and Pay at front desk, confirm your booking, and now your reservation has been made and you have booked that court accordingly. In the upcoming schedule section, we'll notice that I can see any upcoming schedules that I have pending. For example, we can immediately tell I have a session on Monday 28th. If we scroll down, I can immediately pick from one of the activities already available. Let's say, for example, I want to go with a boxing class. Click on Boxing, and this will open up the calendar with all the boxing classes available on specific days. I choose my day, and I book the same way I did before. Now, let's take a look at some of the features available. If we take a quick look at the upper left-hand corner, we're going to notice there's an I button. Once clicked, it takes us to the information about that business. From here, we can see the location, the description, and the different branches that that business has. For example, if I want to access a specific branch, I can just go to the information button, choose the branch that I want. Let's go with the Saifee branch. Booking options. From here, I can check out the different services that they offer, whether from classes, private services, or fields to rent out. On the upper right hand corner, you'll see the share button where you can click and share it with any members who are interested in downloading the application. At the bottom of the screen, we'll notice different icons that we can utilize. Let's go with the calendar icon at the bottom. From here, you will be able to see any upcoming classes that you have, and of course, any past sessions that you already did. The bell icon will show you any notifications that you have received, and the profile icon at the end will show you information about your profile, such as your balance if you have any negative or positive credit, any session owed, and the number of classes you have attended. You are also able to buy a package if you want to. From here, I can click on Buy Package. I can select the branch that I want to buy in. Let's go with Anthony's branch. I need to accept the waiver. And I can see the different packages offered by the business. To buy a package, simply select it and choose whether to book and pay now or book and pay at the front desk. You are also able to choose your interests, see any workouts that you might have if there's a workout plan available, and do other things such as change your password, share the application, or log out if you need to. You are also able to add your child to the application. So if you would like to add your children, simply click on the Add Child button on the upper left-hand corner, put the information of your child, and save it. And this will allow you to book classes for your children as well.